Happy morning, children. In previous class, we discussed about addition, subtraction, multiplication on the number line of a whole number. Now we discuss about successor and predecessor. So first of all, a set of whole numbers. Each and every number we can have successor. 0 successor is 1, 1 successor 2, 2 successor is 3, 3 successor is 4. Okay. Next to predecessor. Except to 0. Except to 0. Remaining all whole numbers we can have predecessor. 1 predecessor is 0, 2 predecessor is 1, 3 predecessor is 2, 4 predecessor is 3, 5 predecessor is 4. Like that. Okay. This is the successor and predecessor. Next properties of whole numbers. First property, closure property under the addition and multiplication. Okay. So first example, here 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay. 3 plus 7 equal to 10. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Sum of two whole numbers equal to whole number. And second example also, sum of three whole numbers is equal to whole number. Sum of two whole numbers equals to whole number are called closure property under the addition. Next, second example, 2 into 3 equal to 6. 5 into 3 equal to 15. 7 into 6, 42. Okay. Product of two whole numbers equal to whole number. And second example also, product of any two whole numbers equal to whole number. Product of any two whole numbers equal to whole number. Then it is called closure property under the multiplication. Okay. This is the closure property and closure property and addition and multiplication. Okay. Next closure property under subtraction and division. Closure property, subtraction and division. So first 5 minus 7 equal to minus 2. Here 5 and 7 whole numbers. So result minus 2 is a not whole number. Next 7 minus 9 equal to minus 2. 3 minus 7 equal to minus 4. So subtraction of any two whole number does not whole number. So subtraction of any two whole number equal to does not whole number. Okay. Also closure property under the subtraction is not possible. Next 5 divided by 7 that equals to 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is a not whole number. Next 9 divided by 7. 9 by 7. 9 by 7 is also not whole number. Next 6 is divided by 5. 6 by 5 is also not whole number. So closure property under the subtraction and division is not possible. Okay. Next second property, commutative property of addition and multiplication. So first addition, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay. Next 3 plus 2 is also 5. Here the pair of order is changed. Here 2 plus 3 equal to 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. So result is same. So here only order will be changed. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 and 3 plus 2 is also equal to 5. So this is the commutative property under the addition. Next to multiply 2 into 3 that equal to 6. Next 3 into 2 is also 6. Product of these two whole numbers equal to 6 and product of in these two whole numbers equals to 6. Here order only change. The pair of order. Here 2 into 3, here 3 into 2. 2 into 3 also same result. Next 3 into 2 also same result. So this is the commutative property under the multiplication. Next commutative property of subtraction and division. Commutative property of subtraction and division. So subtract of any two whole numbers. For example, 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Next 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Both cases we have does not equal to same result. Here minus 1, here plus 1. So commutative property under the subtraction does not possible. Okay. Next to division. 2 is divided by 3. That equals to written as 3 by 2. Next to 3 is divided by 2. You can written as 3 by 2. Here 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2. So both cases two values result number is does not equal. So commutative property under the division is not possible. Okay. Next third one, associative property of addition and multiplication. Here 2 plus 3 of plus 4. 2 plus 3 first 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 9. So sum of 2 plus 3 of 4 whole numbers equal to 9 and second case 2 plus 3 of plus 4. Here 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 9. So both cases we can same result. Here order only change, arrangement only change. 2 plus 3 of plus 4 and second case arrangement is 2 plus of 3 plus 4. So here both cases arrangement only change but result is same. So this is called associative property under the addition. Next second case multiplication. Second case multiplication. So here 3 columns and each column we have two boxes are there. Okay. So this is written as 2 into 3. Next here also 1, 2, 3 columns we have 3 rows are here. Next here also 2, 3 columns, each column 2 boxes are there. 3 columns. Each column 3 boxes are there. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So 3 columns, each column 4 boxes are there. So this is written as 4 into 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 columns are there. Each column 4 boxes are there. Okay. Each and every figure 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. How many times are there same values? 4 times. So 4 into 2 into 3. Okay. 4 into 2 3s are 6. Next 4 into 6, 24. Okay. Next second case 4 into 3. 4 into 3, how many times? 2 times. So 2 into 4 into 3. So 2 into 12. 2 into 12 equals to 24. Both cases result is same. So here order only change. 4 into 2 into 3. Here 2 into 4 into 3. Here only arrangement, number of whole numbers arrangement is changed, but result is same. Then that is called associative property under the multiplication. Okay. Next to associative of subtraction and division. First subtraction. First one is subtraction. So first 2 minus 3 of minus 4. 2 minus 3 here minus 1 of minus 4. Both are negatives. So minus 1 and minus 4 equal to minus 5. So here subtraction of any three whole numbers does not equal to whole number. This is does not whole number. Next 2 of minus 3 minus 4. Second case 2 minus 3 minus 4 equals to minus 1. Here minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 3. Both cases result does not equal. Here minus 5 and minus 3. So associative property under the subtraction is not possible. Next second case division. Fourth one is division. Division. So 2 is divided by 3 divided by 4. So this is written as 2 by 3 divided by 4. 4 can be written as 1 by 4. 2 1s are 2, 3 4s are 12. Okay, next second case 2 is divided by 3 is divided by 4. Okay, 2 divided by 3. 3 is divided by mean 3 by 4. So 2 by 1 divided by 3 by 4. That equals to 2 divided by 2 into 4 by 3. That equal to 8 by 3. Both cases result cannot be changed. First case result is 2 by 12 and second case result is 8 by 3. Both cases result cannot be equal. So associative property under the division is not possible. Okay. So associative property subtraction and division cannot be possible. Okay. First problem exercise 1. How many whole numbers between 27 and 46? So 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 are between 27 and 46. Okay, this is the first one. Next, choose the suitable symbol. Here less than symbol, this is greater than symbol. Less than means the smallest number of the given number. Next, greater than means the biggest number. Here, so on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so on. So, on the number line, right side value is always greater than left side values. Next, left side numbers is always less than right side values. Okay. So, here 8 and 7. 8 is the right side of the number 7. So, 8 is greater than 7. Next, second problem also 5. 2 is the left side of the 5. So, 5 is greater than 2. Next, 0, 1. So, here 0 is the smallest number comparing to the 1. Next, 10 and 5. 10 is 5 is less than or greater than 10 is greater than 5. Okay. 10 is the biggest number comparing to the 5. So 10 is greater than 5. Okay. Exercise 2.2 first problem. We can use suitable value to find the result number. Okay. So first of all 28 into 19 that equals to 532. Okay. So 19 into 28. So this is like that commutative property. Only order will be changed. Pair of whole numbers order only change. Here 28 into 19. Here 19 into 28. So this is called commutative property under the multiplication. So order can be changed but result does not change. So 28 into 19 equals to 532 and 19 into 28 is also 532 based on commutative property under the multiplication. Second example is also same process. 1 into 47 equal to 47. Here also order of pair of whole numbers will be changed. 1 into 47, here 47 into 1. So result is 47. Next, third example, A into B equal to C. Then B into A also same result, that equals to C. Next, fourth example, A plus B equal to D. Here B plus A equal to, this is like that commutative property under the addition. A plus B, here B plus A. So the pair of order only change. Here A plus B, here B plus A, that equals to D. Fifth example, 85 plus 0 equal to 85. 0 plus 85. This is also commutative property under the addition. 85 plus 0 equals to 85 and 0 plus 85 equals to 85. So both three here multiplication commutative property under the multiplication, here commutative property under the addition. Okay. So this is the first problem. Okay. Okay. This is the first problem. We can discuss next class remaining problems. Okay. Thank you children. end of this class.